Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Phonemos? In today's tutorial, we'll make a deep dive into two very useful macros called recently changed and recently added. We will not only walk you through the way on how to use those two macros, but also show you how to create in almost no time your own company newsfeed without even having to copy and paste any content. Sounds great, right? Then let's start. To save us some time, we've already prepared a couple of example press releases, as you can see here, for a fictitious ICT company. And now we're going to show you how to aggregate those press releases and show them always updated on your Phonemos page. To do this, we click here on the Edit button, and then here on the plus sign to add macros. And here you can already see the recently changed and the recently added macro. Let's start with the recently added macro. They are both very similar and very easy to use. So let's start with this one. In the recently added macro, you will see all the Phonemos pages that have been created within either a Phonemos super page or within a whole topic. Like for example, you could also write here Andreas Playground, and then all the pages that have been created in Andreas Playground, they show up here, of course, with the count. So you can make, for example, let's switch it to 100, and then the list goes way longer. You can also change the order to see the oldest first, but that's probably not what we want when we have a newsfeed. We want to see the newest first. Very similar to the recently added macro is the recently changed macro, just with the difference that it shows all the pages that have been updated. So here you can also choose a topic, and then you can see all the pages that have been updated. If you change the count, then you see all of them. And when you click Save, this page gets always updated when you update a new page. So for example, let's update this page a bit. Let's change it. Test change. And save it. Then you will see here that the example press release 5 has been updated. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and you will use the recently changed and recently added macro in the future, and hope this helps to make your life a bit easier. See you on the next video. Bye bye.